Well, this is the end of my day today because I've got some wedding stuff to take care of. So I'm pretty much ready to head out. Pretty much the overview is there's a lot of crap that just needs to be thrown out. All the sill of all of this is just rotted out because they didn't use pressure treated or even wrap the bottom. You can see how much stuff is dry rotted because there's a bit of a leak on one of the fittings, which I'll be replacing. Almost all of this is going to be gone very shortly. A lot of the fiberglass, which I wasn't happy to see, I hate fiberglass insulation, is covered in, you can see some of the remnants there of just mold and mildew. So that's going to get taken care of, and once that'll be a good thing just for health, not to have that in the shop. And I managed to rip out quite a lot of the stuff that was in here. I figured out where some of it goes. One of it is to that line there, and I'm assuming there's one in the back that's just hanging with nothing attached to it. So that was probably live yesterday, which is great. That's why I don't go poking around stuff without shutting everything off. I got to take care of all of these little hangy dealios and even some creepy crawlies that made their way in here at some point. So I've got a good bunch done. Of course, I'll have more to do very soon, especially taking care of the plumbing, because I hate leaks. Water damage is just not an acceptable thing because it's just mostly simple to fix, at least if you do it right the first time. So yeah, again, the plan is, well, tomorrow I got to pull the toilet and see if I can rotate it 90 degrees, and then you can see the stack now and the drain. Basically take that at a 45 back to the wall, up till it gets to about there, back out and line up with the hole out of the roof. That should give enough practical room for the toilet use and give some more elbow room for the person or persons using it. Well, just person. 2 people would be not very pleasant, I don't think. I managed to break the P-trap. Not that it was anything really worth worrying about. That sink is probably going to be gone. I think I have one at home that I can put in, a stainless steel one. But even before that one, or a sink, regular sink gets put back in, I'm going to be installing a slop sink over in that area, because that's much more useful right now. And I'll worry about putting in a hand sink for anybody else that needs to use that later. So there's my summary for today, and pretty much that's it. You guys take care, and I'll probably see you again tomorrow. Don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe and all that jazz, because it really helps game the algorithm, and I'd appreciate it. So thanks for coming along with me, and there'll be more tomorrow. Bye.